Hey guys, it's T2 and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this 18 volt 3-speed impact driver, and let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the front of the box, the side, the back, basic stuff. So if you want to see the details here, you can look at it right there. Alright. And here's the side. And let's pop this guy open. I don't think we need our unboxing knife. So here. And here is our tool. Right here. This cardboard. There's the tool itself right here, as you can see. And this package is only the tool only, so there's no battery, charger, or a bag, of course. This is the attachment that you can put right here, so you can like attach it to your tool belt or something like that. Very nice. Some instruction manuals, basic stuffs. Let's try this tool up with some batteries. So hold on a second. Alright guys, I'm back and I got the battery. So let's plug this guys in. And let's test this thing out. Very, very nice. That's about it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button, click like if you guys enjoyed it. Click here for project videos and click here for another unboxing video. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. And as always, stay fresh and keep making.